I mean, looking back on this, probably should put a bit more water, but let's go. That is vile. Right, it's all wet. Makeup brush, so you get all different sizes, so you'll be able to put the makeup brush in there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Just whilst I've got you, I've got a brand new makeup series happening over on my channel, which you're on. I don't know why I just said that. It's a brand new series. It's all about through the decades with the makeup. So it goes from different decades, from BC right the way through to 2020, and it's just makeup inspired looks from those decades. I'm really enjoying doing it. So if you do want to go and see that, hit subscribe, head over to my channel and take a look at those. But today I'm doing a really cool video that I've been waiting, I think it's cool, a video that I've been waiting to do for quite a while. So you would have seen in my what I got for Christmas video, my sister bought me a makeup brush cleaner, and basically it's one of these bowls that you turn on and I don't know, let's just get into it and I can tell you what it is. So she got me the Style Pro makeup cleaner. I don't know where she got it from as it's a gift, but I'll link some similar ones down below. Basically what comes in it is, ooh, act like I've not seen it before. You get a few things in the box. You get this bowl that looks a bit like a fish bowl. You get all the different adapters for your makeup brush, so you get all different sizes, so you'll be able to put the makeup brush in there. And then you get the tool as well. Now this tool, basically, you've got the little adapters, you pop that on the top, and then you put your makeup brush in there like that, and you turn it on. You put it in some water with the makeup cleaner. Ooh. And you do that and it cleans your brushes, and then you bring it up and it's meant to dry the brushes. I've never ever used one of these machines. What do you call this? Kits. Never used one of these kits before. I'm really excited to try it. You also get given in this kit 2 little sachets of makeup brush cleanser. Let's just get straight into this video and find out how this works. So I don't know how well you can see me, but I've got my little bowl now. It's full of warm water. I've got this box here full of dirty makeup brushes. I'm not going to do every single makeup brush because we could be here for absolutely hours. First of all, I'm going to start with this brush. Now this is the brush that I use every day for all of my powder. So I've put it in the little adapter. Let's take this one off. I'm going to put this on. The only thing I haven't done yet is I haven't put the cleanser in. So let's put this cleanser in. Don't even know how you get into this. Oh, it says you've got to cut it. Let me go get some scissors. World's biggest scissors. So let's cut that off and pour that in. Now, I don't know how good this cleanser is, but you can use anything, I think, like shampoo, whatever. Does it smell a bit? Actually, it does. It smells really fresh. Right. And basically, what it tells you to do, so let's give that a bit of a stir, is you literally put it in like this, dampen it all. Oh my god, it's actually getting rid of most of it already. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you turn it on. Now, I've never used this. I don't know how this is going to go. Just to show you quickly, take that off a minute. If I show you with another brush, once you turn it on, it does this. Look at that. That's how fast it goes. It makes it into a fan. Look, my hair's actually moving. So this is what it's going to do in there. So let's just get on and do it. Ready? So scared. Right, I've got it all wet. Let's see if we can do it. Bring you in closer. Can you see this? Yes, you can. Let's go. Oh! Oh my goodness, it's like clean already. I think I need some more water. Look! And then it says once you think it's clean, just bring it up and it dries. Look at that drying. Look, it looks like I've made a little cup of tea. So let's turn this now. Oh god, let's turn this off. This is really hard. I'm not kidding you, right? I've seen so many of these videos and I thought, yeah, because it says you're meant to do that and then it dries it as well. And I thought, probably not dry. That is like so dry and so soft and they smell nice. That is crazy. So let's have a look. And it's even clean in there. Oh my god, I didn't think it was going to be this good. Let's try another one. Let's try this little one that I've just shown you. Let's try this one. So to me, that's now dirty water, but let's just see if it does it. So we dampen it. I mean, looking back on this, probably should put a bit more water, but let's go. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Whoever thought this is like a bloody little genius, aren't they? Right, now I'm going to dry it. Like, I'm not even drying it for that long. I can't get over it. I did not expect it to be like, this is going to save me so much time. Completely dry. Oh, mate, this is just too much fun. Right, let's find a really dirty one now. Let's see if I can get this one. This one is filthy. Let's try it. I mean, the wind coming off that. I mean, wow. But let's go. Oh. Oh. Should we see if we've got a smaller one? Let's try this back. Obviously didn't like that bit, did it? Yeah, here we go. This bit's better. Right, I'm just going to go for it. Dunk it. That is disgusting. Like, let me see if I can bring it closer. That is vile. Right, it's all wet. Let's give it a go. I can't get over how quick it is. I mean, this needs more cleaning, but it's dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. Okay, so I'm back and I've put slightly more water in it, but let's put another sachet of that stuff in here. This is so good. Oh, shit, what's that in there? Give that a little mixeroo. So like I said, this one's still a bit dirty here, so let's try it again. Let's get it wet. It's like a little car wash for brushes, isn't it? It's done it. That's clean and dry. I'm going to have so much fun with this. Wow, I'm going to carry on and do all these now, guys, because, like, I can't get over how good that is. You, hun, you can stay. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. I had so much fun filming that, and now I have some clean brushes, which is amazing. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I've got loads more videos over on my channel, so head over now, take a look at those, and if you like them, subscribe to see more. See you soon, guys. Bye! I got clean brushes. I got clean brushes. Woo!